Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install this U-part wig from Dola hair. I'll be installing a 20-inch U-part straight wig. The density on this wig is 150% and the size cap is a medium. I also received the edge brush that I'll be using to style my client's edges. I normally use the tail comb, but today I'll be using the edge brush. This is the U-part wig that I'll be installing today. Inside the wig has a strap, 3 clips, and 4 mini clips that I'll be using to attach the wig around my client's leave out. First, you want to get started by separating all the hair that you'll be using as a leave out to cover the tracks on the wig. This U-part wig can also be worn as a middle part, but today we're going to be doing a side part. When you're parting out the leave out, you want to make sure you take the right amount because you want the wig to fit your client's head properly. When I parted the leave out, I left the sides of her hair out also because I want the wig to look more natural when I place it on her head. This is the amount of hair I left out to cover the tracks on the wig. Now you can braid your client's hair. The braids does not have to be small as long as it doesn't look bulky when the wig is on. This is what my client's hair looks like after it's done being braided. Now I'm going to use the 4 mini clips that I was talking about earlier and place it around the leave out. You're going to use your 2 thumbs to push into the clip to open it, and when you open it, place it on your client's head and then close it back the opposite way. The 3 clips on the inside of the wig I didn't use. Other than the 4 mini clips, I only used the band. I took out the right side of the wig and did it again because I didn't want the wig to hang over. I do wish that the wig had 5 clips so that the back of the wig could be pinned down. You'll see what I'm talking about when I finish pinning down the right side. Keep watching and I'll show you guys how I got the wig to lay flat. So this is how the wig looks on my client's head without it being styled or anything done to it. To make the wig look more full, I'll be styling it with wand curls. This wig held the curls really good, so keep watching to see how nice the curls came out. After you finish styling the wig, you're going to start to flat iron the leave out. When you flat iron the leave out, you want to make sure that hair covers all the tracks. Now I'm just moving the leave out the way because when I let the curls drop, I'll be cutting the wig into layers. I also have another tutorial on my channel showing you guys how to get bouncy curls, so if you want to know how, check out that video. When you're finished layering the curls, you're going to use the edge brush and the edge control of your choice and start styling your client's baby hairs. I don't normally use edge brush to style my client's baby hairs. As you could tell by my other videos, I only use tail combs. But the edge brush actually worked pretty good on my client's leave out. Not leave out, baby hairs. So basically, this is the ending of the video and the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. At the end, I'll be showing you guys a clip of how I removed the wig, but in the meantime, keep watching more clips of the finished look.